Hello there! This tutorial will show you how to set up your email gateway using MailGun to manage your subscribers using the WeMail plugin. First, make sure you have an account registered with MailGun. After registration, you will see the following screen. Under Settings, click on API Keys and under API Security, copy the private API key. Now go back to your WeMail dashboard, then click on Settings, and under Email Sending, click on MailGun. Click on Edit Credential and paste the API key and also set your domain name and click on Next. Log into your MailGun account, click Domains on the left-hand side, and then click the green-colored Add New Domain button. Enter your domain name into the box. We recommend you to use a subdomain to get a better email delivery rate. Here, we have used mail.yourdomain.com as an example, but use your own domain name. After you click Add Domain, you'll be redirected to the page where you can get the DNS records to your domain. Log into your hosting provider and navigate to the DNS section. Now paste the host name and value here and click on the Add Record button. Please note, it will take up to 24 hours for DNS changes to take place. Please don't panic if it takes time to add the DNS record. Now go back to your WeMail dashboard and navigate to your MailGun gateway. Click on the refresh icon and you should be able to see a green tick mark. This shows that the connection has been successful. And that is how you can set the gateway from MailGun. If you want to find out how to set up other gateways, please check out the links in the description box below. That's it for now. Stay tuned.